In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring tasks in Monday.com. Monday.com is a robust project management tool that many teams use to keep their workflows efficient and organized. Being able to set up recurring tasks is a powerful feature that can save you a lot of time, especially for tasks that need to be done regularly. So, let's dive in and walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to navigate to the right board on your Monday.com dashboard where you want to create these recurring tasks. Think of boards as a central hub for organizing different projects or parts of your workflow. Make sure you're on the right board because this will affect where your tasks are stored and managed. Once you've landed on the correct board, look for the option to create automation. Typically, this is found in the board's more advanced settings or directly within the board's menu. Automations are key to enhancing productivity on Monday.com as they enable you to create rules and processes that run on their own, freeing you from the mundane details of data entry. Click on this option to get started. Now that you're in the automation setup, it's time to customize your automation. You'll see several templates and options. Take your time to carefully decide what kind of recurring task you need. Monday.com allows for a wide variety of automation customizations. Specify the conditions that should trigger the automation. For instance, you may want a task to recur every week on a particular day or after a certain event. Customization is crucial here because it ensures that the recurring task precisely meets the needs of your project or workflow. Next, click on the option to set the frequency of the task. This is where you define exactly when you want your task to repeat. Do you want it every day, every week, or every month? Choose the time period that best fits your task requirements. This flexibility allows you to align task timing with your team's schedule or project needs, ensuring that nothing falls through the cracks. Finally, it's time to follow the on-screen prompts to finalize your automation. Monday.com does a great job of guiding you through this process with intuitive prompts that help you fill in any remaining details. This might include specifying who the task is assigned to, setting deadlines, or adding any bespoke information relevant to your task. Following these steps will help you make the most out of Monday.com's powerful automation features, streamlining your workflow and granting you more time to focus on what truly matters. With recurring tasks set up, you can sit back and let Monday.com help you manage routine operations seamlessly. Happy organizing and see you in the next video.